Ever wondered how those intricate symmetrical designs known as mandalas are crafted? Well, today, we're diving deep into the beautiful world of mandala art, revealing the secrets behind its creation. A mandala, meaning circle in Sanskrit, embodies the universe's infinite nature. This art form, originating from India, has been a significant spiritual symbol in Hinduism and Buddhism, representing the cosmos. Creating a mandala may seem daunting at first, but worry not. With a bit of patience and a sprinkle of creativity, anyone can master the art. So grab a piece of paper, a compass, and your favorite coloring tools. Let the journey begin. The first step in creating a mandala is drafting a basic framework. Start by drawing a circle using a compass. A circle represents the universe in its entirety, and it's the foundation of your mandala. Once you have your circle, divide it into equal segments. Think of a pizza and how it's sliced into even pieces. The number of segments can vary depending on the complexity of the design you have in mind. For beginners, 8 segments are a good starting point. Now, the fun begins. Within each segment, start sketching patterns. These can be anything from geometric shapes like triangles and squares to more organic forms such as flowers and waves. The key here is to maintain symmetry, so whatever you draw in one segment, repeat it in the others. Once you've sketched out your patterns, it's time to bring your mandala to life with color. Feel free to let your imagination run wild here. Bright colors can make your design pop, while softer hues can give your mandala a calming effect. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to your color palette. After you've colored your mandala, take a moment to admire your work. Each line, each shape, each color was chosen by you, making this piece of art uniquely yours. Creating a mandala is not just about the end product, but also about the journey of self-expression and mindfulness. To recap, we started by drawing a circle and dividing it into equal segments. Then we sketched symmetrical patterns within each segment and brought our design to life with color. And voila, you've created your very own mandala. The beauty of mandala art lies in its versatility. It's a tool for self-expression, a form of meditation, and a celebration of the universe's infinite nature. So next time you have a free moment, why not create another mandala? Remember, practice makes perfect, and each mandala you create is a step towards mastering this beautiful art form. If you've enjoyed this journey through the mystical world of mandala art and are eager to continue exploring your artistic side, we have a simple suggestion for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Just one click and you'll be part of our creative community, gaining access to a multitude of art tutorials. We have so much more to share with you, from mastering different art forms to exploring the depths of your own creativity. And remember, every piece of art you create is a reflection of you, unique, beautiful, and infinitely fascinating. So, are you ready to unleash your inner artist? Stay tuned for more exciting art tutorials. We can't wait to see what you'll create next. Happy creating!